Hey y'all, this is Southern Woods here. Welcome to another video. I have an exciting video today, trying out my new GoPro Hero 8. Brand new, quite the upgrade from my Hero 3 that I had. So I'm excited. Hopefully this will be filming or help filming a lot of videos in the future. I've heard nothing but good things about it, except the battery life. Supposedly each battery only goes about an hour, which is very fascinating to me. That is not a lot of time, but I have two fully charged batteries with me today. Gonna take a walk in the woods, maybe look for some arrowheads. Other than this, which is with my phone, the rest of this video should be filmed with the GoPro. I have a wrist attachment I'm going to try out and the head attachment. I've already used the chest attachment with my other GoPro, so a little bit different angles and trying some different things and just seeing overall how much I like using it and really testing that battery life. So we're going to get in the woods right now. Come along. This is exciting. Something like this little thing, I can just pick it up like that. Pretty cool. Alright, here's our first arrowhead chip of the day. Right there. Well, see if I point over here. Yeah. So, just, basic arrowhead chip, but first one I found today, so thought I'd put it on the GoPro. Another nice little piece right here. This one has some red to it. Also found this very shiny piece of quartz. Very shiny, nice piece. I don't know how well you can see in the GoPro, but I'll film all my little finds on the actual iPhone later. Alright, y'all. Now we're using the head mount. I know this is a real flatter an angle. Love being out in public and being like, hey, you want to be a part of my YouTube video? Yeah, but I'm gonna try it out. I don't know exactly if I should have it pointed down like here, if I should have it straight. I think a little bit downward of an angle. What do you think, Anthony? You don't know. But we're gonna try it out this way. My phone. Here. Guess what I think I see, y'all? Is that a spoon? I think it is, y'all. Sure enough, that is a spoon. I'm gonna eat some good soup with that. No doubt. Alright, y'all seeing what I'm seeing? That is a decent piece. One of the larger ones I found today. It has a flat edge, so I wonder if it was part of anything, like the base of an arrowhead. Maybe not. Maybe just a big chunk that came off, or something the Indians were working on and messed up or gave up on. I don't know, but alright, y'all, so I'm about to use the head mount once again, but the GoPro, these newer GoPros have something called like stabilization boost, where, you know, if I'm walking around or even running, that's how I'm going to test it, that the camera stays, you know, level, focused, stabilized, and makes for obviously a better video and, you know, less nauseating film. So I'm going to put it back on my head. I want to do a little walking, running for a couple minutes, and just see, you know, later on when I edit the video how well it actually worked. So yeah, that's what you're about to see now. We're about to head home. It's a little later. Just saw a hunter come out. There's a couple more weeks of hunting season, so don't want to ruin anyone's hunt. Headed back to the house. I'll show you anything that I found and give you my thoughts on using the GoPro. So, see ya. Alright, y'all, so just real quick on the iPhone, I'm going to show you just some of the chips and flakes that I found. There's that one. Has like a dark red, purplish hue to it. This one has some whites and reds to it as well. Pretty nice. This one's just your standard, like a gold brown. Some black ones, some other multicolored ones. Yep. This was the biggest piece I found. Not a pretty color necessarily, but I don't know. Thinking it could be the base of an arrowhead. How it's broken off pretty even at the bottom right there, but never know. And just a couple pieces of quartz that were pretty shiny, pretty nice. But yeah, nothing too exciting regarding that. But trying out the GoPro Hero 8, I enjoyed it. It's definitely a few steps up regarding the video quality, which I'm sure I'll find when I edit it and post it, compared to the Hero 3 that I had. The battery life, not as long, but if I'm not using it for continuous filming and just doing it when I need it, then, you know, 2 or 3 batteries could probably last me a whole day of filming if need be. And, you know, there's some cool factors to it, how I can hook it up to the app and edit the settings through there instead of taking it out of its protective case. Being able to see what I'm filming on the back of it if need be on the display screen, to you know, the stabilization mode. We'll see how well that does when I go look at the footage, but overall it's definitely going to be another, you know, great tool I can use during my videos, you know, especially the outdoor videos close to the water and whatnot. That way I don't have to fear about using my iPhone. So we'll see. Just another tool to hopefully make the channel a little bit better and make these videos a little bit better. I really liked the wrist attachment. I think I preferred it over the head one, because the head one is kind of annoying, especially with my long hair and everything right now. But obviously that would be easier in most filming cases than using the wrist. So we'll see how I use it in the future, what kind of videos I use it for, but I am excited about it, and I hope y'all are too. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Southern Woods out.